A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come and sing along with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. What comes next? Do you know? Your own thing. Yes. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A is for apple, juicy and red frog. E is for ant, marching on head. E is for bus, driving in town. E is for bear, big and brown gown. C is for cat, saying meow. C is for car, going room right now. D is for dog, wagging tail, good. D is for duck, saying quack so loud. E is for egg, crack it slow. E is for elephant, big and slow. F is for fish, swimming deep. F is for frog, jump, jump, leap. G is for goat, eating grass, lord. G is for garden with flowers that pass wood. H is for hat, on your hat. H is for horse, running ahead. I is for ice cream, yummy treats. I is for igloo, made of snow so neat. J is for jelly on toast we spread. J is for jet, flying over and high. K is for kite, up in the sky. K is for king, waving high. L is for lion, loud and guard. L is for lamp, shining bright in cloud. M is for moon, glowing that white. N is for monkey, funny and bright. N is for nest, up in tree. N is for nose, smell and see. O is for orange, round and sweet. O is for owl, hoop, heap. A, B, C, E, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. What comes next? Do you know? K, P, yes. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. P is for parrot, green and bright. Q is for penguin, black and white. Q is for queen with a crown, quietly walking through the town. R is for rain falling down. R is for rainbow with colors all around. S is for sun shining high right. S is for star in the sky. T is for train going choo-choo. T is for turtle, slow but true. U is for umbrella in rain. U is for unicorn, magical mine. V is for violin, playing sweet drape. V is for band down the street. E is for we're gonna sing. F is for Rin, rowing free. S is for xylophone, ting, ting, ting. H marks the spot, let's all sing. I is for yolk, yellow and round. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, black and white. C is for zoo.
What a sight!
What a sight!
Z is for zoo.
A to Z we learned today. Clap your hands and shout hooray!